Sam purchased a new car, $17,930. The car depreciated by 19% per year. When he trades the car in after X many years, the car is worth no more than 19,000. Then we're asked to fill in the values for A, B, and C to complete the exponential inequality of the form A times B raised to the X is less than C. That can be used to determine the number of years after which the car is sold and is worth no more than $1,900. So this is actually pretty easy. So just a real quick review. A is the initial value in all these problems. And so the initial value of the car is $17,930. B is 1 plus or minus the rate. Now, since it is depreciating by 19%, and that's as a decimal, that would be 1 minus 0.19, right? Because 19% is the same as 19 hundredths or 0.19, okay? You just move the decimal over 2 places, 1, 2. And that's how you get this right here. Well, 1 minus the stuff, and so because it's depreciating, that means that we're going to subtract the rate. Your actually B is going to be 0.81. Okay. And then C is the final value. Final value. And that's 1900. And it says no more. So no more means less than 1900. Okay, when is it going to be less than 1900? So what I do is I'm going to, and they say that. I mean, they show you that right here. So I'm going to say A times B to the X is less than or equal to C, no more than 1900. So I just write out 17,930 times 0.81 raised to the X is less than or equal to 1900. And that is it. That's the answer.